Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section let's scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on all apps. And here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to simply clear cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they occupy some memory. And obviously, if we will take only one app, then the amount of memory is not really that significant. However, if we will sum up all of those apps, as you can see, this list is really long, then the amount of memory increases simply. So removing cache might release some memory. And all you have to do is to open the app. So let me choose Calculator, for example, then go to Storage and Cache. And here we've got a cache section, but we do not have anything to remove here. So let me go maybe here. Storage and cache again, and here we've got cache finally. So all we have to do is to tap on clear cache. Let's simply tap on it and your device will immediately remove it. So as you can see, you do not even need to confirm anything, which means that it is not that important. I do not recommend tapping on clear storage unless you wish to make your app brand new, completely brand new. So, as I said, just go through all of those apps, especially those which you're frequently using, and to remove cache. And after this whole operation, I highly recommend to simply turn off your device and then power it on again in order to kind of confirm all of those changes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.